government sponsored scheme, all important government sponsored scheme in one. So you need not refer anything else other than this. You need not refer anything other than this. Today my face is not that important. इतना सुंदर भी नहीं है मेरा चेहरा, तो चेहरा मत देखिए, कंटेंट को देखिए, ठीक है? Government sponsored schemes, all see there are various schemes by government, but we are talking about government sponsored schemes for banks. ठीक है? जैसे कुछ फ्री का कुछ चीजें मिलता है ना, सामान मिलता है, दिस इज डायरेक्ट गवर्नमेंट स्कीम. These schemes are government sponsored schemes. The motive behind the topic name government sponsored scheme is the important schemes that are important for banks point of view, bankers point of view, banking exam point of view. All of you getting? So don't read unnecessary. Many people read unnecessary government schemes. There are so many schemes. इतना तो मोदी जी को भी पता नहीं होगा कि कितना स्कीम है उनके पास. Even the finance minister doesn't know how many schemes are running. Okay, so because we are a populous country, we do populous measures to get votes. So for that we have so many n number of schemes, but from that galaxy of schemes we found few things that are important for you, not everything. That's why people join Knowledgist. So I will stick to the point. Clear, my guys? Whatever is important in order I will put it. PM Swanidhi scheme, have you heard about the name PM Swanidhi scheme? PM Swanidhi scheme, जैसा कि हिंदी वालों को मैंने बोला था, हिंदी में बहुत ज्यादा क्लास हो गया है, तो इंग्लिश में मैं सेशन ले रहा हूं. In between you have doubt, you can ask me, I will repeat it in Hindi, but this is only numbers. This is only again numbers, right? So I don't think that it will be hard for you to understand. Even the language is simple. Okay. PM Swanidhi. Initial working capital determined by activity and scale. First cycle capped at 10,000 rupees. Subsequent cycles based on timely repayment and other criteria. पहला जो किस्त है वो 10,000 का है. Let today continue in English. हिंदी वालों के लिए मैं सेपरेट बोलूंगा. This is a street vendor scheme. Street vendor, you know, street vendor जो रास्ते में बेचते हैं सामान फुटपाथ पर, right? So the first tranche of the loan is 10,000. Okay? Yes, with the full form Swanidhi. Street vendor Atmanirbhar Nidhi. Nidhi means funds. Yes, this is the full form, but it's now become an acronym. What is acronym? The popular short forms that are used independently are called acronym. Like your favorite bank, ICICI Bank. Okay, many of you may be working there. In that, earlier ICICI used to have a full form. Now it is an acronym. It is not a full form. They are using it as a word itself to represent a name. That is called acronym. Our special batches for Bank of Baroda's 2025 Specialist Officer is going to kickstart very soon. So don't waste your time. The course link and everything is available in the description. And as you all know that in last 1 year, there were multiple Bank of Baroda exams, and in all that 95% of selected students are directly from Knowledgist. Go and check out the success stories, and now time is to enjoy this sample session. Our classes is curated in such a way that even if you have a busy schedule, you can still grab it. Our live sessions are designed in the night and in the weekends. Also, if you miss them in 2 hours, the recording will be available. And in first hand, we have a complete pre-recorded batch. And everything is going to start from 5th of January because you have a very less time to prepare for this exam. So do join and now enjoy the class. Okay. वीडियो तो रिकॉर्ड हो ही रहा है ना. यस, वेरी गुड. सो द रीपेमेंट पीरियड इनिशियल 10,000 rupees. If they repay the loan, then second tranche will be disbursed. Okay, first loan 10,000 rupees for 1 year, monthly installments. इसका हिंदी किसको चाहिए? इजी है ना? No penalty for early repayment. Higher loan eligibility in the next cycle of timely repayment. Okay, getting my point? First loan amount 10,000. now कुछ लोग सेकंड ट्रेंच के बारे में भी बात कर रहे हैं. मैं आ रहा हूं. 10,000 12 month. Next tranche good repayment, then the next tranche will come. Okay, I am coming to that. Cashback for digital transactions, rupees 50 for 50 transactions, additional rupees 25 for the next 50 to 100 transactions each. ठीक है? The street vendor will get cashback if he deploys a phone pay or something like that and taking money digitally from the customers. Okay. For digital transactions, for first 50 transactions, 50 rupees will be added to his loan account. He will get the cashback. Then for next 50 amount, next 50 transactions, for each transaction 25 rupees cashback. ठीक है? हाँ, second 20,000 for 18 months repayment. Coming to that, no issue. What is the interest rate? Rate is 7%. So 7% means subsidy is given. So customer is getting it as low as 7%. Have you ever financed a loan in your bank at 7%? No matter how big the customer is, you are giving a PL. Many of you are working in banks, taking PLs, giving PLs, personal loan बहुत सारे लोग देते होंगे. आपने बड़े से बड़े कस्टमर को भी आप 10-11% में देते हैं, 7% में तो दे नहीं पाएंगे. ओके, एनी क्राइटेरिया? ही शुड बी ए स्ट्रीट वेंडर. एप्लीकेशन में बिल्कुल मिलेगा इस क्लास के बाद. पेनाल्टी और डिलेड पेमेंट, इनएलिजिबिलिटी फॉर हायर लोन अमाउंट फॉर नेक्स्ट साइकिल. एनपीए कर दिया लोन को, नॉट फॉर नेक्स्ट साइकिल. If delay payment is there, then no further tranche. What is tranche? First tranche is 10,000. उसको tranche बोलते हैं. This is called tranche. Next is what? Next tranche coming to you. Okay, it's third tranche. We discussed about third tranche. I'm talking about second tranche. Second tranche will be 20,000 for 18 months. Please note, 20,000 for 18 months. Then comes the third tranche. In the third tranche, loan up to 50,000 and 36 months after repaying in second tranche. When 10,000 repayment done, 20 done, sorry, 50 for 10,000, 12 months, 20,000, 18 months, 50,000, 36 month repayment period. Minimum repayment for second loan is 6 months to qualify for the enhanced loan. You can repay the second loan in 18 months. But my dear friends, to get the third loan, if you repay the first loan in initial 6 months, ठीक है, it will be this third tranche will be given. Tranche मतलब जो लोन का वैल्यू है. लोन 3 किस्त में 3 टाइप में दिया जा रहा है. फर्स्ट ट्रेंच, सेकेंड ट्रेंच, थर्ड ट्रेंच. व्हाट इज द थर्ड ट्रेंच? 50,000. यस रवि. PM विश्वकर्मा स्कीम, one of the most popular questions in last PNB exam. They asked many questions from it, and I took this class in last one night before the PNB exam. So it is going to be important for all the upcoming exams as well. PM Vishwakarma empowers, that was for street vendors. It is for traditional artisans and crafts people engaged in to scale their operations and integrate into domestic and global markets. Central sector, it is a central sector scheme fully funded by the government of India with an initial outlay of 13,000 crore. Artisans and crafts people engaged in traditional trades like carpentry, pottery, etc. ठीक है, ये क्ले का पोटरी बनता है ना, मिट्टी का जो सामान बनता है, कारपेंट्री, वुड का जो काम होता है, that all comes under this law. Recognized through PM Vishwakarma certificate and ID card, access to skill upgradation training and modern tools, collateral free credit support with interest subvention, means no collateral required, no mortgage required, and subsidy in interest given. Okay, this was just a sample session. ये एक sample session ही था. complete session और पूरे syllabus के लिए आपको register करना होगा Knowledgist के dedicated course से. course का link and everything is available in the description, comment section, also in your application and in your website. So don't hesitate to join from there. Thank you.